G'day, welcome to another episode of Kayno's Fishing. Gonna be doing some exploring today at places I've fished before, but I can barely remember where they are, so it could get interesting. What do you reckon, mate? Keen for a fucking bit of an explore?
Yeah.
Hey.
I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home. It's been a long night here and a long night there, and these long, long legs are damn near everywhere. Hold up now, you look good, I will not lie, but if you ask where I'm staying tonight, I gotta be like, oh baby, you got me all wrong, baby. My baby's already got all of my love. So no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta be with you to another. I will stay true. Now I got her, and she got me, and you got that ass, but I kindly gotta be like, oh baby, you got me all wrong, baby. My baby's already got all of my love. So no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta be with you to another. I will stay true. We hit terminus.
And now I know my heart is a ghost town. My heart is a ghost town. My heart is a ghost town. Last night in my dreams, all the machines had been disconnected. Time was thrown out the wind, and all of my friends had been disaffected. Now I'm searching for trust in a city.
That motherfucker will be the death of me. 100%. It is fucking hot.
A city of vampires. Tonight Elvis is dead, and everyone's spread, and love is a satire. And now I know my heart is a ghost town. My heart is a ghost town.
Oh, perfect this thing.
No.
You can out of the water to it. Not a bad little toga. First fish. Perfect release.
That way, buddy.
What the fuck? Day 2 of trying to find the elusive Billabong Barramundi. I've lost my cameraman today because he's out with gastro or something, but we'll still make it work. Let's see if we can go get one, eh? When you have to drive through stuff like that, but not many people fish your fishing spots. Just got to that spot where I got that little toga yesterday. Hopefully we can find a bit bigger one, or a barra. A barra would be way better, but nice big toga I'd be happy with. But yeah, let's see how we go. Just gonna flick around the lilies here. They seem to always hide in the lilies when the sun's out, but as it gets later they'll move out and start hunting around the weed banks there. But yeah, let's see if we can get ourselves a barra. We'll find one. Might take a bit. Oh, got him. Yep. Fish on. Little toga. Nice little fish. Oh, you're perfect. That little guy. Nice little Saratoga to start off. Sick as. Just moved spots. I think this is the spot. Not sure. I was kind of trying to make sure that all the water wasn't coming out of my bucket when I was driving over here. Just want to keep that toga alive. Looks like it. Oh no, this isn't it. This is a different spot. Looks good though. Maybe pull a fish out of here. We will see. Yep. Oh, fucking hell, that was a barra, I think. Yep, got him. Oh, barra. Yes. Yes, boy, we got a barra. Woo! That's good, my dear. Fuck yeah, that's what we came for. Yes, boy, we got a barra. Woo! Exactly what we came here for. Well, that's it. We got ourselves a little barra. Took a couple days, yeah, but we got it. If you like the video, chuck us a subscribe or whatever, or maybe just a thumbs up. I don't really care. But yeah, hope you like it. If you want me to do anything else, just I don't know, just let me know, I guess, in the comments or whatever. But yeah, cheers for watching. Kayno out.